Did you know that you can now grow this expensive and healthy dragon fruit right on your balcony or terrace? Yes. All you need is a pot and a few tricks, and you can enjoy its sweet fruit right at home. Hello friends. You're watching Sustain Agro channel, where we discuss all the essential information related to farming, gardening, and natural farming. Today, we'll learn how to plant and grow dragon fruit in a pot, so you never have to buy it from the market. First, you need a cutting from a healthy dragon fruit plant. That is, a 6 to 8 inch long piece cut from an older plant. Make sure the cutting is free of mold or rot. Let the cutting dry in the shade for 2 days before planting, to promote rooting. Now let's talk about the pot. Choose a pot at least 12 to 15 inches high and wide. Add light, well-drained soil. Soil mix: 40% garden soil, 30% sand, 30% rotted cow dung. Add a little bone meal or vermicompost to speed up growth. Now plant the dried cutting 2 to 3 inches into the soil and water lightly. Place the pot in a sunny spot, but protect it from direct sunlight for the first 7 days. Roots will begin to emerge in 10 to 15 days. Dragon fruit needs 5 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. But don't overwater. Light watering twice a week is sufficient. This plant belongs to the cactus family, so it doesn't like excessive moisture. When the plant reaches 1.5 to 2 feet tall, provide support with bamboo or a pipe. Because it's a climbing plant, add a little organic fertilizer, vermicompost or cow dung every 30 days, and keep spraying it during the summer to keep it looking fresh. When will the flowers and fruits appear? The dragon fruit plant begins flowering in about 8 to 10 months. There will be few fruits in the first year, but from the second year onwards, it produces abundant fruit. Each fruit can weigh between 300 and 600 grams and look exactly like the ones sold in the market. If you want to get fruit quickly, plant grafted or rooted cuttings. And remember, don't let water accumulate during the rainy season or the roots may rot. So friends, now you too can grow dragon fruit on your balcony or terrace and treat your family to healthy fruit. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the Sustain Agro channel for more natural farming tips like this.